You can eat kosher. Yeah, if the kosher they're slaughtering, if the Christian and Jew slaughter the animal is halal. Yeah, you can eat it. This is dragged from the Quran. That's not like hadith or is weak or your opinion. However, nowadays Christian they don't really slaughter. They stun the kitchen and they don't say even nothing. The Jew they slaughtered. Yeah, and the kosher is being slaughtered. Even they say the name of Musa al-Islam, yeah, still is halal. Because somebody approached to Abdullah bin Abbas radiallahu ta'ala anhu, and he said, you said we can eat the zabiha, that being slaughtered. Zabiha means the animal being slaughtered by a Christian and Jew. So the Christian, they believe Jesus is the Son of God. They're committing the shirk. And how can you eat the animal when they're saying that Jesus is Son of God? Abdullah bin Abbas radiallahu ta'ala anhu said, when this ayah was revealed, when this surah was revealed to the Prophet, peace be upon him, Christians have the same faith. Yeah, but obviously it's not better to eat. And when somebody asks me the question, I would say, yes, you can, but it's better not to.